Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Casper Labs. Clash continues. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe. And for that, you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of Casper at the time of the recording, and let's see what it has been up to lately, guys. So the fall with the Casper has continued. You can see that it is down 2.08% for the day. In the last 7 days as well, guys, it is down 20.96%, guys. It came down from 1.5 cents all the way to 0.01157 in the monthly, 30.17%, yearly 67.05%, and all-time 99.13%, guys. So totally in the red in all time frames, guys. So this is why this clash has been going on, polarized opinions in the Casper community. So let's see what the new debates are, what new arguments are, what are people saying, different opinions. So let's check it out. So guys, yeah, look at this, guys. Ross G says that he has added another 189K Casper, while everyone is worried, giving up, and crying. He shouldn't be talking like this. Obviously, I do not like foul language, to be honest, but, anyways. While Grayscale AI has minted almost 500,000 NFTs ahead of Prove AI launch in September, while Condor is about to officially launch also, keep crying, I'll keep buying. Yeah, you can say this in a bit more decent way as well, although everyone has the right to invest however they like. To be honest, if someone does not like Casper, they've done their research, they have conviction that it is not a good hold, then that is it. That is pretty much it, guys. Yeah, you can convince them that, yeah, you should be buying it, but I think there are a lot of ways to say it in a decent way, in my opinion. So this is just my take on it. Obviously, everyone has the right to express however they like. Anyways, spot orders, look at this. Order USD 2149 USD spent, calling out Mason vs. Lewis over his Casper stance. On the contrary, look at this. Casper, WEF, okay, World Economic Forum. Anyways, what are they saying? Let's see.
Week, and I see Maddie just absolutely going ham with the tweets. What's going on, man? What's going on with you?
You know, I've just had it with some of the influencers in this space, who are supposed to be, leaders in this community, providing people with a leg up when it comes to research, understanding what they're invested in. And like I've talked about many times, I don't expect everyone to have a confirmation bias or to only talk about bullish things or to never express concerns or frustrations. We have a responsibility to be honest with our audience. But Crypto Mason is out here just consistently being a detriment to not just the Casper community, but the crypto community as a whole. And I was reading some of the comments in there, and it's definitely not just me. But he basically goes in there and talks about how shitty Casper's performance has been, and how the team is just messing things up so badly that the network's not performing like it's supposed to. So he has to shut down his node because it's not profitable anymore. Because Casper devs are just dumping on. First of all, none of that is sustainable at all. Like none of that actually is true. None of that makes sense. And there's plenty of other validators out there who backed up some of the tweets that I was talking about in their relations to the way that you set up your node and your logistics behind that does not equal Casper staking not being profitable. Everyone gets the same opportunity for the same APY, right? Like all the validators in there are getting the same APY. There's no special APY being associated. However, if you you decide to outsource your node operation, you decide to outsource the oversight of that, outsource the hardware, you're going to have costs associated with that. Versus, I don't know, maybe if you know a tiny bit about technology, you can slap together a little PC in a couple hours at your house and then run the node out of your own house. Guess what? Your costs are going to be a lot lower. Additionally, you set the commission rate that you want to extract from each of your people contributing, delegating to your particular node. So he's out here saying that Casper is the one, making him not profitable and he has to shut down the road because the Casper team did this. But guys, he did this to himself by being lazy and outsourcing everything and not looking at all of the math behind what's actually required to run a profitable node. Profitability is also something relative to your personal risk appetite. So over time, if you were to look at the price of Casper, let's say being 50 cents, $1 in the future, you really won't really care that much about potential short-term loss. But my guess is he put a little bit too much money into it, didn't look at the actual cost of what it takes to run a node, especially an outsourced node, and thought it was just going to be easy money pouring into his pocket. So sorry, Mason, you don't know shit about shit. And hopefully you just walk away from this project so that the rest of us can actually educate people on proof of stake, Casper, and real fundamentals when it comes to projects.
Guys, they have basically answered Mason's concerns of regarding staking nodes, that his nodes aren't profitable. He called out the Casper team that they are dumping on the investors, so they are basically trying to answer that. I do not understand why they have why Mason has posted this. Let's see the comments over here. Just a moment. Crafted and arbitrage strategy. Okay. I keep buying the Casper dips, send help, reality check, Casper Labs, World Economic Forum. Doesn't matter and never did. WEF always sponsors or partners with all kinds of companies that turn into nothing. Gotta stop giving the WEF this undeserved power. Exactly why this shit ain't going nowhere. You was just talking bad about Casper. Some people probably listened to you and sold. Right, so put all ethical arguments aside and buy Casper, I guess. You are just paid Schiller. I do not know why he's at one instance. I mean, he's dumping. I think that is to create an opportunity to buy low. Maybe I do not know because I do not know why he has posted this. That World Economic Forum is a partner with Casper. Is it a bad thing or is it a good thing according to him? Apparently, he thinks it is a good thing, but a few days ago he was basically bashing it. I do not know what's going on. I know what's going on most of the time. This all shenanigan happens to basically buy low, but I hope not. This is why I'm saying we should remain positive. But crypto is really, I think it needs to mature in terms of the investors, in terms of influencers, in terms of a lot of things, guys. We are really, really in a mess right now, to be honest. The entire industry, guys. 2 hours ago, the ghost with the most. Casper update. We broke out of the following wedge and falling wedge and currently retesting support. I mapped out how I think this will go in my last post. So far, it is following but resisting at the moment. I'm assuming a new low will be taking place soon enough. My target of 0.0106, basically 1 cent. Guys, it might even add a zero the way it is going. To be honest, I won't be surprised if it adds a zero. How does 70 cents to $1.30 by mid 2026 sounds? At the moment, I think that it's going to be taking a lot of time to get there because there will be a lot of selling pressure, guys, in the mid. If it starts to get back on track, because a lot of people are in a loss, a lot of people sell when they're break even. So I think it won't be until 2026. This is just my take, not financial advice. We have a date, Prove AI. How Prove AI supports the goals of CASP 1047, transparency, accountability, responsible AI development, risk assessment, and management. Anyone hoping for this to come back is going to learn some hard life lessons. So, yeah, different opinions, obviously. Casper, keep burning your money. Told you guys. Rug pull. This is the clash, guys. Some people are extremely bullish. The others are extremely pessimistic and skeptics. At the moment, they're saying that it is a scam and it is a rug pull. Can't stress the importance of do your own research and investing in projects you have conviction in with strong fundamentals. If the fundamentals change, 100% reassess. However, Casper I see as a solid project whose fundamentals have not changed and only gotten stronger. September is the release of the Condor upgrade and full launch of Prove AI. Guys, by mid-September, I think that due to this good news in the market, Casper might rebound, at least for the short term. But anyways, look at this legendary Casper beef. Sorry, Mason versus Lewis, you don't know shit about shit. Alpha Brian. Yeah, extremely. This is what I'm saying, guys. Clashes everywhere, guys. Uh, Despite being some projects that should have really mature people out there, we really do not understand how to beef with each other. To be honest, there should be debate over the web to talk about stuff together. They should be both of them, Mason and the other folks. They should be conducting a live chat, basically talking to each other about their concerns in a civil manner. This is the way we learn. Basically, those that will support Casper and the arguments will invest, and those that do not basically believe in it and they believe what Mason says or anyone who is a skeptic, they won't. So I think that this is the way. Like, look at this. Mason has also got a point, but it is all about the price action, which can change at any moment. But those that are saying that is a rug pull, that is a totally different story, and the team selling and all of that stuff. Uh, Allegations that most people in the community are saying are baseless. But anyways, Casper community, please drop some reasons below why we would be down 99.14%. Thank you. Genuinely curious to hear some good explanations for the price action, especially from people smarter than me at this shit. Okay, so a cold war going on, guys. Did Casper have a situation like ICP? Sam Bankman basically rugged it so he could pump Solana. Okay. One whole market is down, but mostly lack of listings, as retail isn't a priority for Casper Labs. It is not on major influencers' radar, and yes, had the exploit, which, in my opinion, they did the right thing, taking down the network and fixing properly before bringing it up. Bottom line is fundamentally nothing has changed for Casper, and until it does ill personally, keep DCing and delegating. Okay, so yeah, this is a reasonable answer. Yeah, I'm actually going to fill my bags at these levels. Glad I didn't win in lottery of this. Damn, that looks like a rug. Man, come on, 99.14% is literally a dead project. What are we even talking about here? I think Casper is probably a scam. They decided to leave the project. That's why scam, shitty tech, price manipulation, because it is not listed on any tier one exchange. Everything is down, every damn altcoin, security situation, but from influencers like Mason, everything is at bear market lows. So, guys, what do you guys think about this clash? Do you think Casper is a scam? Is it a rug? Is it a failed project? Or do you think that it is fundamentally as strong as it was and it will finally reach those highs which everyone has expected from it? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.